Today we're going to take a look at the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with this four-way flat trailer connector. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2017 and newer Nissan Rogue Sport vehicle. And on a custom fit part, I always like to recommend for you to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show if this part will work for your application. Now this harness will provide this four-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights. It is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters that we do sell separately on our website. And this does connect very quickly and easily. Basically, you just locate your connection points, which are in the rear cargo area. Plug in these T connectors, one on each side, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Ground your white wire right here, and then run your black wire to your vehicle's battery for power. Now this harness does include this tail light converter, this black box here. This is to ensure that your vehicle's wire will match that of your trailer. It is a powered module, that's why it'll connect directly to the battery, and that's to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. This converter is constructed using SMT technology, which is surface mount technology. It gives you more consistent, reliable performance, helps maximize trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat, and it ensures superior operation in any rough road condition. It does come with this dust cover for your four-way, so when you run this out the back towards where your trailer's at, if you're not connected to your trailer yet, you can just leave this connected, your dust cap, and then just put it over the terminals to protect them from any damage or from the elements. This harness is made in the U.S.A. A few specs on it. The maximum amperage for the stop and turn light circuits is 3 amps per circuit. For the tail lights is 6 amps per circuit. Now this does come with everything shown here on the table. Comes with, I'm going to show you how all this installs here in a minute. But basically what you do when you go to install this, now you can have, it starts to have a nice set of detailed instructions. This will describe how to install it, and it even gives you pictures of where your connection points are. But again, what you want to do is go to the rear of your vehicle in the rear cargo area, and the instructions will describe where your connection points are. So you'll find your connection points, and then you'll start on the driver's side, and you'll take the one that has the yellow wire in it. That's for the driver's side. And you'll find the connection points, unplug the harness, and plug this in between there. And then you'll go to the passenger side and take the other T connector. It has the green wire. Run this wire over to the passenger side, and you'll do the same thing. Unplug the harness, plug this in line. Once those are all connected, then this converter box, you don't want this bouncing around. You want to connect this to a good flat surface so it doesn't bounce around. They do include some double-face tape to use to connect it down. You can use cable ties, and they even have a hole here that you can put a screw in there to hold it down if you prefer. Once that's all connected, run this length of bonded wire with your four-way out towards the back, and then you'll have your two remaining wires, the white wire and the black wire. Now the white wire will have an eyelet on it. That's for your ground. You want to find a good clean ground nearby to connect this to. If not, they give you a grounding screw that you can make your own ground. And then your power wire, that needs to run to the front of the vehicle to the vehicle's battery. That's why they'll give you this extra length of wire to use. And the connectors. So you'll take a butt connector, put on your power wire, take one end of this length of wire, connect it just like that. Run this all the way up to the front of the vehicle where the battery is. Now you don't want to connect this directly to the battery. You want to run it through this inline fuse holder. So take your other butt connector, put it on, connect one side of your fuse holder to it, just like that. And then the other side of the fuse holder, you take this eyelet connector, put it on, and then connect that to the battery. Once they're all connected, pop open your fuse holder, take your included 10 amp fuse, push that right into the fuse holder, put the cap on, your system's all ready to go. Now they do give you some extra cable ties that you can take up any slack in this wiring when you run that wiring to the front. But that should do it for the review on the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the four-way flat trailer connector.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.